Have you ever found yourself pondering the incredible power that resides within the depths of your being? It's a power not only to mold and shape your present reality, but also to sculpt the very fabric of the future that awaits you. Enter the realm of Dolores Cannon, a luminary in the field of past life regression therapy and authorship, who took a profound dive into the mysteries that intertwine consciousness and time. Through her teachings, a radiant light is cast upon the profound concept that each individual possesses the capability to usher in miracles during their lifetime. As conventional wisdom perceives time as a linear construct flowing seamlessly from past to present to future, envision a reality where you, in fact, are already engaged in a form of time travel. Every choice meticulously made, each decision thoughtfully taken, sends forth ripples, creating a branching network at the crossroads of time. Picture it as if the strings of destiny are delicately held within the grasp of your very hands. This revolutionary concept challenges the traditional view of time as an immutable and unalterable entity. Instead, it proposes that the tapestry of your consciousness and the choices you make possess the formidable power to shape the course of events in ways that might exceed your comprehension. Visualize multiple versions of yourself, each existing in a slightly nuanced life. Picture yourself as a thriving entrepreneur in one reality and a celebrated artist in another. This notion of parallel realities is not a mere flight of fancy. It aligns seamlessly with the explorations of quantum physicists, echoing the insights derived from Dolores Cannon's teachings. Each decision unfurls a cascade of branching realities, leading to diverse and distinct paths. So how might one align with the version of themselves that has already realized their dreams in a parallel reality? The initial step involves acknowledging the existence of these parallel realities and recognizing the inherent ability to shift one's consciousness to access them. This transformative shift necessitates a harmonization of thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with the reality one desires. Consider for a moment the profound significance embedded within your dreams. What if they transcend the realm of mere random images or thoughts, serving as windows into alternate realities and untapped future possibilities? Dolores Cannon beckons us to explore the profound connection between the realm of dreams and the waking life we lead. Amidst a world saturated with disheartening news and narratives steeped in fear, it becomes imperative to grasp the mighty potency embedded within your focus. Every single thought, each decision, and every action sends forth ripples that traverse the vast expanse of the universe, subtly influencing the tapestry of future events. Could it be that your dreams hold the key to unraveling this enigmatic aspect of your existence? A form of time travel intricately woven into the very fabric of your being. Dolores Cannon's teachings challenge the conventional linear conception of time, proposing that every conceivable probability of the future already exists in the present moment. When you dream about future events, you may find yourself tapping into these probabilities, essentially crafting the possibility for those events to manifest. Operating on a parallel principle, the law of attraction dictates that like attracts like, your predominant focus emerges as the sculptor of your reality. Positive transformations become manifest through the deliberate channeling of your thoughts towards positivity and the conscious engagement in acts of kindness. Your focus emerges as your superpower, a force to be wielded judiciously in a world cluttered with distractions. In this multidimensional reality, where every conceivable version of yourself coexists, You possess the extraordinary ability to recalibrate your frequency and step into the myriad versions of your being. Yet, to embark on such a transformative journey, one must extricate oneself from the clutches of distractions, particularly in the contemporary world, where external clamor vies ceaselessly for your attention. Contemplate the intricate matrix within which you find yourself ensconced, constructed upon the foundations of expectations and predictive programming. The act of altering your daily routine emerges as the catalyst that sets into motion an intricate cascade of events, ultimately giving rise to distinct and divergent outcomes. In essence, your daily routine serves as the very canvas upon which you deftly paint the masterpiece of your reality. To manifest miracles within the tapestry of your life. Commence this transformative journey by altering the very patterns of your thought and seamlessly weaving positive practices into the fabric of your daily routine. Practices such as gratitude, meditation, and acts of kindness can propel waves of positivity into the universe, meticulously shaping a future bathed in brilliance. Contemplate for a moment the profound notion that each decision you make generates a parallel reality. Should the aspiration be to reshape timelines and beckon forth miracles, it becomes imperative to conscientiously mold your thoughts, beliefs, and choices. The life you find yourself living today stands as a testament to the decisions you made yesterday. To recalibrate your reality, set in motion the transformation by redefining your daily routine and consciously embracing positive beliefs. Dolores Cannon's teachings serve as a poignant reminder that the present reality you inhabit is intricately woven from the threads of parallel universes. Realities unfettered by the shackles of war, famine, and homelessness patiently await their manifestation in parallel universes. The more steadfastly you believe in the existence of these alternate realities, the more palpably they weave themselves into the fabric of your lived experience. Your dreams, far from being mere whimsical fantasies, emerge as profound glimpses into alternate realities awaiting their moment of realization. Your focus, by no means trivial, stands as your paramount superpower, actively shaping the very world that envelops you. Within this multidimensional reality, opt to embody the version of yourself that thrives in love, abundance, and creativity. Recognize that every thought, every intention, and every action sends forth ripples into the cosmic expanse, artfully shaping the events destined to unfold. You, indeed, are the conductor of the symphony of your life, crafting the melody with meticulous care, with each thought and intention. In a world teeming with a ceaseless barrage of distractions, the reclamation of your power to focus emerges as a revolutionary act. You, as an individual, are not relegated to a passive role as a mere observer of reality. You are an active participant, a co-creator actively shaping the very world you inhabit. Your thoughts, choices, and actions echo through the vast tapestry of the universe, each contributing to the shaping of events that will inevitably unfold. Quantum physics, with its profound insights, unveils the fluid and ever-changing nature of reality. Dr. Joe Dispenza's impactful work serves as a poignant reminder that personal transformation lies within the realm of possibility. By altering thoughts and beliefs, you possess the inherent ability to reshape your life and forge new timelines. The miracles you fervently seek are not distant ethereal dreams. They are tangible outcomes, within reach, birthed by the conscious choices you make. The universe, attuned to the vibrations of your thoughts, intentions, and beliefs, stands poised to respond. Liberated from the constraints of time and space, you embody a timeless essence, wielding the capacity to sculpt your reality. Contemplate the profound notion that your dreams, far from being fanciful whims, serve as glimpses into alternate realities, awaiting their moment of realization. Your focus, far from being inconsequential, stands as your unparalleled superpower, actively shaping the very world that envelops you. Elect to embody the version of yourself that thrives in love, abundance, and creativity. Acknowledge that every thought, every intention, and every action casts forth ripples into the cosmic expanse, intricately shaping the events destined to unfold. And so, I leave you with a pivotal inquiry. What miracles shall you breathe into existence today? Will you opt to step boldly into your power as a conscious creator? Will the focus of your attention be directed towards love, abundance, and positivity? Or will you succumb to the currents of fear and negativity that pervade the world around you? The choice, as ever, remains firmly within the grasp of your hands.